Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can earn money watching YouTube videos. Yes, you're going to watch a YouTube video and you can earn money. In this video, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a couple of websites, so you will wait and watch the video until the end, because if you missed some steps in the middle, you can't continue this method. So watch it until the end, guys. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving. I am uploading one video every day, so watch, like and subscribe. Also, if you watch the video until the end, and you can win £10 PayPal money, guys. For the first step, we're going to use 4 different websites. The first one is called youlikehits.com. Second one called addmefast.com. Third one is called likeforlike.org. And the fourth one is called turfoff.net. So what is this website? These websites are called a social media engagement exchange site. So you can earn points by watching videos. So you can see watch videos, and you can like YouTube videos, subscribe to YouTube video, go to Pinterest, Twitter, you can do LinkedIn, so TikTok. So if you do these things here, and you can earn a couple of points, then exchange the points for your own social media growth. But we can earn points. For example, here I have 107 points, but we are not going to exchange our points for our social media, but we are going to exchange for money. But in this site or any of these 4 sites, you can't exchange that points for money. But there's other 2 different websites. There's one people are already talking about. There's other one people are not many people are talking about. So I can show you those 2 websites that you can exchange these points for money. First, I can show you how you can earn points on this website. All you have to do is register free account with them, and you can click open any of these things you want. Different things pay you different points. For example, YouTube views pay you more points than YouTube likes and everything. So you have to confirm that you are not a robot. So you need to go through these steps. Now, what you can do, you can click view, and there's a pop-up will open here. There's 90-second videos, and you can earn 18 points. But you have to remember one thing: different videos gonna pay you different points. For example, some video 110 second worth, that's gonna pay you 33 points. Some videos 60 second long, that's gonna pay you 20 points. So it's depend on the people who are promoting their videos. So different videos, different watch duration, and you can get paid in different amount or different points, guys. So what you do, you don't have to watch the video. You open that and you do other works, and it will play this video in the background. After 90 seconds gone, the points automatically added in your wallet, and this video site close. So then again, you go back to the site, click next video, and again it pop up and play automatically. So you don't have to do anything. This is for YouTube views. Other things called YouTube likes. So you open the video, watch the video for a couple of seconds, and click like button. Other one is called subscribe. So for that, you create a separate YouTube account. Don't use your personal one or your YouTube channel one. Create a simple one or separate one, and you can use that to subscribe to those channels. Go back later and unsubscribe if you want, guys. So see that it's nearly 80 seconds long, only 10 seconds remain. After that, this video automatically closed, and 10 points will be added, 18 points will be added to my wallet. And you see it's closed and 18 points is added here. Now this is how you're gonna do, how you can earn money on these 4 sites. Now, how you can exchange these points for money? There's 2 websites. The first one I am thinking about starting is Fiverr, because on Fiverr, see these people are doing, I will do YouTube video promotion organically. Basically, they're going to bring a couple of thousand views. For example, 1,000 views. I will do YouTube video promotion $397. I will do YouTube video promotion $397. Now, so if you watch it carefully, I'm going to do a simple calculation on how much points you needed and how much points you had earned in order to do this task. So for example, you can go to Fiverr or any freelance site, and you can offer the service. You can say, I can bring 1,000 organic YouTube views to your YouTube videos, and you can do the gig for $397 or $4. The other site is called playerup.com, and you can see here This is a little bit expensive. It's 10,000 YouTube videos. It's for 25 bucks, but you can see 1,000 HQ views, original YouTube organic views is $3, guys. So people are going here and they put their gigs on here and people are buying it here. You can see replies 3 views 11, and you can see also why I recommend this site. If you go to similar web, and you can see nearly it's getting 900,000 guys. Anytime you're gonna reach 1 million views per month. So people are using worldwide, and if you see that carefully, who are the people that are using it? From people from USA, UK, Vietnam and Turkey. So the little bit top countries, guys. Now these 2 sites that you can use it. The Fiverr one people are not talking about, but I'm gonna use it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come to Fiverr or PlayerUp. I'm gonna list a gig for YouTube view, 1,000 YouTube view for $3.97. So whenever people click and buy your gig from them, all you have to do, go to any of these sites where you earn most of the points, and you can exchange that points for YouTube views. They will provide you with the YouTube link. You need to copy and paste that YouTube link into sites. So how you can exchange a point, go to this one called add or edit sites. On here you need to click YouTube and go to views. And what you're going to do for this video, I'm going to use my one of YouTube video from other channel. I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to put it on here. After you put the link, click add video. It will automatically add it here. You have to make sure this is the video and click add video. Then it will add it into your dashboard, and from that you're gonna click this one called manage YouTube video, and here you can select which one you want to do. For this video you can go YouTube views or YouTube like. You can do both or you can do separately. On here you're gonna click, you can go with different. Also on your gig you can mention that you can bring 50 or 60 seconds per view, so you can charge a little bit more. If you charge a basic amount like $3.97, you can go with 3 points for 39 seconds. Okay, and it will automatically redact 3 points from your account for every people being 39 seconds for your videos. Now how much points you needed? So we can do simple calculation. So you set it up 3 points per 1 views. If we list a gig on Fiverr for 1,000 views, and so you need have 3,000 points to do 1,000 views. In order to get 1,000 view, you need 3,000 points. So we can do simple calculation. So whenever you go to watch videos on this site, it's gonna pay you 25 points per 60 seconds. This is average. This is the video a couple of done. So from that I'm able to calculate that you can earn roughly 25 points per 60-second video you're gonna watch. So if you divide the 3,000 points you needed by 25, you're gonna watch 120 videos, and each video is gonna last 60 seconds. So if you time 60 seconds times 1,000, 60 seconds times 120 video you can watch, so that's roughly around 7,200 seconds, which is around 2 hours of time, guys. Again, you are not going to sit in a desk and watch entire video. You can just click open and play it in the background while you're working on your computer, and you earn that points, and you can exchange these points on Fiverr or PlayerUp on those sites. You can sell. You're not going to sell YouTube videos. You can go there and sell. You can sell Twitter, retweet, or Pinterest like, Pinterest followers. And if you go to PlayerUp here, and you can exchange for Facebook likes and Facebook followers, guys. So you can do lots of things with it. And again, it's a grinding, guys. Keep grinding, and it won't happen like that. You earn points, and you can exchange your points from this Fiverr and PlayerUp. You can sell your points basically. If you don't want to create your own YouTube account or social media, you can exchange these points for money simply like this method, guys. So not many people are talking about Fiverr in this method. I'm thinking about it, so let me know, guys, if you are trying this method on the comment section. Also, if you watch this video until the end, you know the drill. Like this video, leave a comment, I like this video, put your PayPal address. When this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you in next video, guys.